like reminiscing. Memories of holidays gone by, indulging in faithful holiday treats, delivering our inner monologue out loud to a room full of strangers. Yes, yes, that's Christmas. Welcome, everyone. Suppose you're wondering why I brought you here to my living room. Well, I didn't. I don't know who any of you all are or what you're doing here. Frankly, it's a little bit alarming. But it is Christmas, and you all seem like a bunch of decent people, so welcome. We'll roll with it. Besides, whatever went wrong at a family gathering at Christmas? About this time, I would be finally getting cozy in my favorite armchair, only to be awoken by my lovely wife, Cheryl. With a, why don't you go up to your bed to sleep, dear? I mean, sleep here, sleep there, why does it matter? But I digress. While you're all here, do you mind if I play you a tune on this old piano? I'm a bit of a musician. Some may call me the Bing Crosby of the North. Happy holiday, happy holiday, while the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. Happy holiday, happy holidays, may the calendar keep ringing. Happy holiday to you. 2, 3, it's the holiday season, and Santa Claus, he's coming around. The Christmas snow is white on the ground. When old Santa comes into town, he'll be coming round the chimney now. Oh yeah, he'll be coming round the chimney, coming round the chimney, coming round the chimney. Look out, old Santa is back. Woo!
Well, hello, dear. I see you've seized the opportunity of this captive audience to subject them to some of your famous holiday musicianship. I'm truly sorry, everyone.
Well, it usually sounds a little better, but the smoke from the fireplace is making my throat dry. I ate too much. I ate too little. This piano's out of tune.
Oh, okay. It was the piano that was out of tune. Just kidding, darling. You sounded pretty. You didn't tell anyone you were the Bing Crosby of the North again, did you?
Of course not.
Good. Normally about this time, I'd have to get him up out of the recliner to sleep like a normal person in a bed. Well, it is so lovely to have all of you joining us here tonight. Who are they?
I have no idea. They just sort of appeared.
Well, ever since we dropped our daughter off at college, Kim, it's been a bit of an empty nest. So, it'll be nice to have some company.
Hey, what am I, chopped liver?
No, you're, you, the Pearl Ives of the North.
Oh, the Bing Crosby of the North.
I gotcha. Well, speaking of good old Bing, how about we all sing one of his most memorable tunes? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen Christmases be white.
Sing with us.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear
She knows.
sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas,
With every Christmas card.
with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Beautiful, everyone. And beautiful, Cheryl.
May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Oh, come here. That was a sweet moment. I didn't know we had a player piano.
We don't.
But
Oh, it's a Christmas show, honey. It doesn't have to make sense.
oh, I see. Well, you've met Lee, and I'm Cheryl, of course. What are all of your names? Say it out loud.
Benny.
Oh, wow. Oh, we're gonna need a few more stockings.
That is a lot of names to remember. Lee can't even keep his own family's name straight. He's like a bumbling, abominable snowman at every family function.
Hello?
That is, if you can keep him away from the hors d'oeuvres.
I can still hear you.
And keep him away from the eggnog, or out comes the one-man telling of a Christmas carol. What a maroon.
I'm literally right beside you.
Oh, Lee, don't be so sensitive. Well, I'll put on a little background music while we all sit and chat. Oh, what is this? Play the B-side track. What does this mean?
I have no idea. But I'm beside myself with anticipation. Woo, still got it.
Mom, Dad! Hello down
Kim, I taught her!
All out the holly, light up the tree before my spirit falls again.
Middle of the stockings, we may be rushing in, but death falls again
Now, for we did a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the windows, carols at the spinet. Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single flurry, but Santa do brought in a sleigh. Climb down the chimney, turn on the brightest string of lights I've ever seen.
Ice on the fruitcake.
It's time we hung some tinsel on that evergreen bough. For we grow a little leaner, grow a little colder, grow a little sadder, grow a little older, and we need a little snappy, happy ever after. We need a little Christmas now. Christmas for Christmas!
And you brought a boy.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Well, looks like you two are just in time for the dance party. Yes. Come on, Lee.
For the sake of the music number, I'll participate. But just know inside I'm still very skeptical. 5, 6, 7, 8.
spend Christmas without me, and I really missed you guys. I also really wanted some presents, and I got about 16 loads of laundry in the car, so I came home to see you.
And you brought a boy.
But how did you get the note and the record into the house without us seeing you? And how did you get all the way here from college when we dropped you off there in our car? And why wouldn't we have brought you home for winter break? Or in this day and age, not known you had a boyfriend?
Mom, it's a Christmas show. It doesn't have to make sense. Now, how was the Fred Astaire of the North?
Oh, the Bing Crosby of the
Dad, I thought that you would like to meet my boyfriend, Patch.
We all think things, dear.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
I am also meeting you.
Wow, your living room is huge. And there's a bar in it. Yeah. For the grown-ups. Oh, look, a Christmas tree.
It looks very nice in here, Mom.
Who are all these people?
We don't know. Well, it is very lovely to meet you, Patch.
So, how did you two meet?
Oh, well, we saw each other in our introductory class for all musical theater majors and thought,
You're wasting your parents' money?
thought that we might have something in common. And when I heard him sing, I knew we would get along just fine.
It was when your father stopped singing we started getting along.
That's a cool, Cheryl. Mrs. Winslow. Oh, look, a Christmas tree.
Well, since you're all such vocal superstars, I invite you to sing a little something.
Great idea, honey buns.
Honey buns. Christmas tree?
Yeah, okay.
Well, I think I know a song that all the kids can sing along to. And if you guys want to come up here and sing with me, you can stand in front of our fireplace.
Oh, I bet they'll be stoked. Tough crowd.
Now, come stand with me, guys. Do we know Rudolph?
Oh, what is he?
Reindeer.
No, dear, but it might snow.
Wow, Dad. Wow.
I don't know, it made me laugh. And it also reminded me of my favorite reindeer, Tim.
Huh?
Yeah. And all the reindeer loved Tim.
You're gonna be all right, kid. Oh, dear, this is gonna be good.
Oh, yes, this show is going to get glowing reviews.
Oh, we should send pictures to their unklers.
Uncle?
Yeah, they're married to their antlers.
That's good. Oh, look! A Christmas tree!
Follow me for the dance moves. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to like to call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Fabulous job, singers! We can go back to our seats. Thank you, everyone.
I know we were dancing, I just...
I'm so glad I got to meet Kim's parents. It's nice to know where she gets her looks and her charm.
Okay, now you're just trying to butter us up. And I like it.
And we were really hoping that it's gonna snow during our stay here this month.
This month.
Yeah, I'm from Florida and I've never seen snow, and Kim promised that we'd build a snowman.
This month?
Oh, you know, seeing the way you two look at each other, it reminds me of when your father and I were courting. We used to find any and every excuse possible not to say goodnight. I tried to play coy, as a lady should, but with all the excuses that Lee came up with, I'd step one step back away from the door. I never wanted wanted to be out of his sight. Right, honey?
Yes, we were young and in love. Something I hope for you in 10 or 12 years or so.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It doesn't show signs of stopping, and our bras are born for popping. The lights will turn away down low.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I really can't stay.
Maybe it's cold outside.
I've got to go.
Maybe it's cold outside.
This evening has
And
been
hoping that you drop
so
in.
very nice.
I'll take your hands, they're just like
My mother
ice.
will start to worry. My father will be pacing the floor. So really, I better scurry. Well, maybe just to have a drink more. The neighbors might think
Bad out there.
the two of us
Cats to be
late.
had out there.
I wish I knew
Eyes are like
how to
starlight
break
now.
the spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I
swell.
always say no, 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 sir. At least I can pretend that I tried. I really can't say.
Maybe don't hold out,
now
but
that
it's
it's
cold
cold outside.
When we finally kiss goodnight. Oh, I hate going down the store. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying.
My dear was still, but outside it's cold.
As long as you love me so, I know. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I really should leave.
Baby, you'll freeze out there.
It's so sweet.
Out there.
So don't say I'll leave. Just say
My heart
there's nobody to talk to. Let it snow. We're nice and cozy inside. I really should go.
and I have no doubt.
Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow.
This is what it's all about. Reminiscing. Memories.
A group of people you don't know appearing in your living room at night.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, there was only one sure way to create a lasting memory for the year.
Sentimental, tear-jerking ballad.
You know it!
Gets them every time.
Now's the time you snuggle up with those you came with and forget all the things that they do that annoy you.
You're still right next to me.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. And folks dressed up like Eskimos.
Everybody wants
ate too much? I ate too little? This piano's out of tune.
Well, we want to thank you all for coming to our fireside.
Wait, Mom, we cannot end our Christmas show with a slow song.
That's true. Do you know what's better than ending the show with the one ballad?
What?
2 ballads!
Well, that doesn't make any sense. It's a Christmas show, Lee. It doesn't have to make sense. Callback joke at the end of the show, really. I love you so much.
Through the years, we all will be together.
If the fates allow,
Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Hey, ha ha!
Sing along with us, everyone.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am having so much fun all together.
thanks for welcoming me into your family.
Oh, you're all part of the family now. Sing along with this last one.
Here we go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now, let's go get some hot chocolate and look at the stars.
You're looking at them.
Thank you for joining us tonight, everyone.